Do you encounter insensitivity and lack of professionalism in the law enforcing agencies? For example, if there are illegal slaughterhouses in your neighborhood which throw animal waste in the streets and pose a threat to public health, you complain to the police, the municipal corporation and the Pollution Control Board about the violation of the municipal and environmental laws. But they refuse to act under some excuse or another. Now, what can you do? Then there are certain problems that affect the lives of animals, but the blame cannot be pinpointed on an individual. Hence, no case can be filed against any particular person. For example, if animals in a city are dying after eating plastic bags, the blame is to be shared by everyone, right from the city's residents to its municipal and environmental management departments, as well as the state government. This is where courts come in. Very often, courts are the last resort left to resolve problems like these. You can file a petition in the High Court or the Supreme Court of India. Through this petition, you can request the court to direct the concerned authorities to take action on your complaint. In a court, you can file a writ petition regarding a non-cognizable offence, that is, an offence where the permission of the court is mandatory for any action by the police. Violation of the laws by an individual, a group of people, or an institution. Non-implementation of the laws by the authorities. Improper and inefficient handling of a case by the police or other departments. You must consult an able lawyer, preferably someone who has been handling animal welfare cases. A petition should have a synopsis, which should mention all the specific problems and complaints that you want to tell the court. It should also include details of the specific laws violated, any action or inaction relating to the implementation of the laws, the fact of the case. The case facts should include the names and addresses of all the parties involved in the case, including yours. For example, if your petition relates to the pathetic condition of animals in a zoo, you may want the court to issue directions to the following parties: Central Zoo Authority, Environment and Forest Ministry, Zoo Director, Chief Wildlife Warden. Also, give a brief background about yourself. Things like who you are, what you do, what made you take up this issue. Prayer. This section is also known as relief section, wherein you have to specifically write down your demands or expectations from the court. That is, what exactly do you want the court to do? Annexure. The annexure section should have as many documents, such as research articles, newspaper clippings, photographs, etc., as are related to the issue. These will make your case stronger. Filing a PIL is very simple. You can write a simple letter on a plain paper. Even a postcard will do. Describe the problem in brief and request the court to take action. Remember not to address the letter to any judge by his or her name. You should address it to the entire court, which includes the Chief Justice and his companion judges. Even a telegram can be treated as a PIL. Or else, you can write a proper petition, just like a writ petition, and submit it to the court registrar. You may have to pay a nominal court fee. For example, the High Court and Supreme Court petitions require 50 rupees per person as court fees, which means that if the PIL is being filed by 4 people together, each has to pay 50 rupees as court fee. Once the court admits your letter or petition as a public interest litigation, the court will issue notices to the respondents and ask them to file a counter affidavit. In a PIL, the court allows you to conceal your identity if you so wish. The court proceedings are not affected even if you withdraw from them. The court continues with the hearings and delivers judgments regardless of your withdrawal. So, from now onwards, whenever you come across a situation where your voice is not being heard by the government machinery, knock the doors of the court. This is the best way of making officials work.